Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Bear Clan in Northgard. To begin, understand that the Bear Clan excels in defensive strategies and cold weather survival. Your villagers experience 30% less winter penalty, making resource management easier. Kaija, your war chief, is a formidable unit, gaining significant attack and defense bonuses, especially when near your territory. Shield bearers are also key, offering strong frontline defense. For your early game, focus on rapid scouting to locate essential food and wood tiles. Construct a training camp quickly to recruit your first shield bearer, providing early defense. Aim to secure a second food source within the initial 2 minutes of play. Maintaining a steady wood income is crucial to prevent resource shortages, especially as winter approaches. In the mid-game, expand cautiously, prioritizing strategic choke points and rich resource tiles. Utilize Kaija's powerful abilities to clear out hostile creatures and enemy units from new territories. Building watchtowers will significantly enhance your defensive capabilities. Always maintain a balanced economy, ensuring a consistent flow of food, wood, and crones to support your growing clan. For the late game, focus on achieving either a fame or domination victory. Fully upgrade your military units and defensive structures to maximize their effectiveness in combat. Remember to use Kaija's Winter's grasp ability to strategically slow down and control enemy movements during engagements. Securing powerful relics and accumulating lore will provide crucial advantages for your final push towards victory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.